our 95 Bosch Shinoda Mustang that was underwater for 21 days after Hurricane Katrina.
We took the car and completely restored it from ground up using another 95 convertible and parts off of various other cars.
And this is the monstrosity we wound up with.
3 years worth of hard work, and all in our backyard with the help of a couple friends, Bo Walker and Nancy Walker.
95 Bosch Shinoda, DSS 306 engine in it, 5-speed transmission, 04 Cobra IRS.
Roush stage 3 intake.
Oh yeah, very rare, 1 of 60 intake manifolds. Glass actually. Crushed mirrors.
No kidding.
It turns green.
It turns green. No kidding.
The story behind that is the car was an ugly green originally. And all these Bosch Shinodas have names. This was called Phantom. So we played off the Phantom of the Opera. The pretty orange is covering the green. That's trying to come back out. So.
Very clever.
Powertime BD10 supercharger.
Cleaned by exclusively Croftgate products.